Hello everyone, this is Chan from quickpreview.in and Thanksgiving is going on. So today I am with Thanksgiving Fall Bundle. Thanksgiving Fall Bundle is a PLR product. Inside this you will be given this and this stuff. You can see here in the bold section. If you are not okay with that, you can see here what are the stuffs given inside it. 20 journal pack, 4 journal covers and 1x100 line for journal interior, Thanksgiving coloring pages, transparent PNGs. Inside transparent PNGs, these are the examples. Okay, so inside this page you can see this page now, and once you have clicked on this page, any of the buttons, you will be sent to this sales page. This is the sales page of the tool, and from the sales page you can know more about this tool. You can see more examples about about the stuffs given inside it. And as this is a PLR product, that is why the vendor is not sharing with me the tool or the entire stuff given inside. That is why I can't show you this tool from inside. That is why I can only give you an overview of this tool, and also I can show you the samples, the stuffs given inside it. And most probably this is the best gift you can give inside the most affordable price, and in an amazing way. Everything will be surprised to seeing the uniqueness of your gift. So it costs only $14, and printables are given, and journal diaries, covers, everything is given. You can see here inside this section some diary, some event calendar, everything is given. So you can check out. If you want to get the tool, you can check out this sales page, and also you will be given my bonuses, and these are the front-end bonuses, total 29 bonuses, and there are some upsell bonuses. Inside upsell, 20x Halloween color pack, Halloween background pages. Once you have got this, after going through the front end, you can go through the upsells. So once you have got the upsells, you will be given 400 plus mega bonuses. So you can click any of the buttons, you will be sent to the sales page as I have told you, and check out the description link, the topmost link, to visit the main page, that is the review page of this tool. Okay, let me click once again the back. Sorry, it is not sending me back. Sorry for that. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so these are the bonuses that will be given to you inside the front end. And after that, there are some vendor bonus I have mentioned in the above section. There will be 2 bonuses. I am not sure what are the bonuses, but 2 bonuses given from the vendor. I am not sure about that. And inside the upsell, you will be given 400 plus stuffs. So that's all I want to say about it, and don't want to waste your time. So have a good day. Thank you. Have a good Thanksgiving and Halloween ahead. So bye bye. Thank you.